Okay, about maybe. So maybe represents a value that may be nothing. So nothing should equal to nothing. So I know a little bit about the type maybe. So it's a type that has two values. It's either be a nothing or a just and then a value. So you can use this in cases where you might get something or you might not get something from, let's say, a list, for instance. So we are slowly being introduced to this type. So here, or the value could be something. So just 5 is just 5. Okay, so nothing and just something are a maybe type. Alright, so with default can be used. This is a function that can be used to get the value from a maybe. Yeah, so you can see here that just 5 is not 5. This is so confusing to say. Just 5 is not an integer. This is what I'm trying to say. It's a maybe with an integer, I think. So to get the integer from this maybe type, we need to use this function with default. Okay, so this function, as we can see here down, it takes a and then a maybe a, and then it returns an a. So this first thing here, the number 3, we'll see what this does later on, but the important thing here is that the maybe a will be, let's say, resolved to a. So it's like extracting a from this maybe type. So here we have with default just 5. This should give us 5. And yep, that's correct. I see. Now in case that we get nothing, we'll return the default value using this with default function, hence the name with default. So this should be 3. That's correct. Map will transform the value in a maybe. So this map is not the normal map, because this is a map defined in a maybe type, or in a maybe, I don't know if we can call that a class or something. But anyways, this map will work on the values inside the maybe type. So as you know, map takes a function and then a collection of some sort. I guess we can think of a maybe type as a collection. So here we are applying this function, which basically just divides by 2 on this value here. So if I say, oops, so this should be just 2, right? Yeah, here we go. Okay, the last one, but will not transform a nothing. Yeah, so if we pass nothing, we should get nothing back. Alright.